Hello learners. Today in this video we will learning about a new AI tool using which we can generate our own songs for free. Let's start the video and look into how exactly we can generate a proper song. I'm sure you will surely like this video. So watch it till the end. The AI tool which we are going to use is Suno AI. This is an amazing tool which is used to generate audio and songs as per your own lyrics, and the best part is it is free to use, but you have some 10 to 12 songs limit per month. First log in into Suno AI using your Gmail account. Then click on Create, select some of your song genres, then edit your username and display name, then add your date of birth. Before proceeding to create our song. First, let's generate a song lyrics using ChatGPT. Our song lyrics is ready. Now just copy the song lyrics. Open Suno AI again. Go to Create, under Custom paste your song, select some genre as per your wish and then create. You may also create instrumental music too. Time to play our song. Let's go.
We write the code, we build the dream, from HTML to full-blown schemes. JavaScript blazing through the air, crafting logic with utmost care. We're the champions.